Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3 part 5. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems: consistent system, inconsistent system and consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.3. Clear? Question 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. By substitution method. Part 5. A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 added to both the numerator and denominator, it become 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Clear? Question says you solve your question by substitution methods. It means you solve it by algebraical methods. Clear? There are three types of algebraical methods: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. But here you solve your question by substitution method. Clear? According to question, a fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 added both the numerator and denominator. It means you add 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Then fraction become 9 by 11. Clear? If you add 3 on numerators and denominators, then fraction become 5 by 6. Find fraction. Question is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Let fraction equal to x by y, where x is numerator and y is denominator. nominator. Y is denominator and x is numerator. Fraction x by y. Clear? According to question. According to question. Question says x plus 2 upon y plus 2 equal to 9 by 11. Equation. According to first situation, fraction become 9 by 11. Here 9 by 11. If 2 added both the numerator and denominator. Clear? Fraction is x by y. Here x plus 2 upon y plus 2 equal to 9 by 11 according to question. Clear? Cross multiply. It become 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18. Clear? You multiply by 11 and x, it become 11x. 11 multiply 2, it become 22. 9 multiply y, it become 9y. 9 multiply 2, it become 18. Clear? Now you write 9y on left side of equal and plus 22 right on right side of equal. It become 11x minus 9y equal to 18 minus 22. Now you subtract it. It become 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. It is your equation first. Clear? And according to second situation, 3 added to both the numerator and denominator, it become 5 by 6. Clear? Here x plus 3 upon y plus 3 equal to 5 by 6. Equation second. Here you cross multiply. Cross multiply. Clear? It become 6 multiply x become 6x. 6 multiply 3, it become 18 equal to 5 multiply y, it become 5y plus 5 multiply 3, it become 18. Here plus 18 you write it on right side of equal. Here it is 15. 5 multiply 3. 5 multiply 3. It become 15. Clear? 5y right on left side of equal. It become 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18. You subtract it. It becomes 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. Equation second. You find equation second. Equation, it is equation first, it is equation second. Clear? You can write it as 6x equal to 5y minus 3. X equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. It is value of x. Here 5y, 6x equal to 5y minus 3, x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. Here minus 5y, you can write it on right side. Clear? It is equation second. Clear? Equation second become x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. Clear? Now substituting x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6 in equation first. Substituting x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6 in equation first. Clear? Equation first is 11x minus 9y equal to 4. Clear? 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. It is equation first. You put x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. Here 11 multiplied 5y minus 3 by 6 minus 9y equal to minus 4. Clear? 11 multiply 5, it become 55y. 11 multiply 3, it become 33. Clear? By 6 minus 9y by 1 equal to minus 4 by 1. Clear? You can take LCM of all 6. 6 divided by 6 you find 1. 1 multiply by 50y minus 33. It become 55y minus 33 minus 6 divided by 1. You find 6. 6 multiply by 9y. It become 54y equal to 6 divided by 1 you find 6. 6 multiply by minus 4. It become minus 24. 24. Now you can write it 55y minus 33 minus 54y equal to minus 24. Clear? Here 55y, here 54y. You can subtract it. It become y equal to. Clear? You can write minus 33 on right side of equal. It on right side of equal. It become minus 24 plus 33. Here 33 with minus sign, when you write it on right side of equal, then it become with positive sign. Clear? Now you subtract it. You find y equal to 9. You find y equal to 9. Clear? Now you put y equal to 9 in equation first. Now put y equal to 9 in equation first. Y equal to 9 in equation first. Here you can write here, or you can write here in equation second. Clear? In equation second. Clear? Put y equal to 9 in equation second. Equation second is x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. It is equation second. Clear? 5 multiply 9 minus 3 by 6. X equal to 9 5 are 45 minus 3 by 6 equal to, subtract it, it become 42 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. You find x equal to 7. You find y equal to 9, x equal to 7. Clear? Hence fraction. X by y equal to 7 by 9. Answer. It is your fraction 7 by 9. X by y equal to 7 by 9. You solve your question by the help of substitution method and you find x equal to 7, y equal to 9 and fraction become x by y equal to 7 by 9. Clear? It is easy. Very good. In this way you can solve any question by the help of this solution. Clear? No confusion. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Okay.